Okay, so I have started the recording. I'm sharing my screen. My screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right. So yesterday we explored certain features like product listing page, product description page, uh, quick view page, right? And we saw many other things how filters or filter by option will work, sort by will work, etc. So today we'll continue further and understand few more features which are left out. So there is a feature called as wish list. So what is the purpose of this wish list? See, when a user searches for a product and he wants to purchase that product not at this moment, later stage. So what he will do in that case, he will add that particular product to the wish list. That is one case. Or the user likes it, but still he is looking for something better than that. So what he will do, he will just add this product to the wish list and he will continue searching for another product which he feels he might get a better product than this. Okay, in such cases, they will add the products to the wish list. So wish list page looks something like this. Okay, so as of now in this wish list page, there are total 25 products. Because if you see here, it is showing what is the total number of products. If I add one more product, then the total number of count should be increased. So what I'll do, I'll just go to product listing page through category and subcategory option, and I'll add a particular product to the wish list, and I will get a message added to your wish list. And what is that message? It just says this product is added to the wish list, and the message comes and it disappears, right? So there is a technical term um, that is used for that particular toast message. Message that's called as toast message. Okay, you see here now before the total number of products were 25. Now it is 26. I'll just add one more product. Okay, you see immediately after adding a message appears, add it to your wish list, and it will automatically disappear. So such kind of message is called as toast message. And what is this toast message? Um, I can say it is a confirmation message, and it automatically disappears in some time. So the time can be uh, select 4 to 5 seconds, or time can be 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It depends on how developers have implemented it. Okay, so now let's come back. So the message which is a confirmation message and it disappears in some time is called as a toast message. Okay, now I'll go back to this wish list page. Now in wish list I have 27 products. Okay, and in wish list page I do have a drop down. What is this drop down? Let me select this drop down. You see, as of now, I am in an option called as all. Okay, so whichever product that I have wish listed, all the products would be displayed in the wish list page. Now, in this drop down, I'll select option as men. So what should happen? It should just display only those particular product which I have wish listed for men category. Okay, you see all the men category products are in the wish listed page once I select the drop down as men. Now I'll select it as women. Now only the products which I have wish listed for women should be displayed over here. The same way there are kids or sorry girls. Yeah, there's only one product that is there. All right. So in kids, boys top wear. So I just wanted to add there is a drop down option called as girls, right? So I'll just add a product of boy and I'll check. I just wanted to check whether I'll get an option called as boys as well. Right. I'll just use this product and it's not getting this listed. Okay. From here it is not getting this listed. Let me go to the view page. Okay. From here also. Let me go to product description page. Okay, it has logged me out. Okay, here it is 28. It is already added to the wish list. Now let me go back to the wish list page. The product is added. Huh. You see here. Now another drop down is added automatically called as boys, right? So this particular drop down depends on what? This drop down depends on whatever the type of products that you had in the wish list page. Before we had only all men, women, and girls. Now, since I have added a product to the wish list uh, which belongs to a boy, now boys option is also automatically added, right? So drop down functionality works this way, right? And now let's select all and see what are the other options that we have in the wishlist page. So now what I will do, I'll just mouse over on any particular product. It gives me an option to select the age if it is a boy's uh, wear, and it gives me option to move to back. Suppose if I select or mouse over on a product which belongs to a man or a woman, it gives me option to select the size and it gives me option to move the product to the back. Okay, this is one thing. And suppose imagine I have added the product to the bag, sorry, wish list, but unfortunately, that product is out of stock. You see, this product is out of stock, which is grayed out now. Grayed out as in, see, if the product is available, see, it would be normal to look. If the product is out of stock, it looks something like this, grayed out. Okay, this is called as grayed out. Now, it does not give me an option to add to the cart, or it does not give me an option to select the size if the product is out of stock. That's one thing. And it gives me an option to notify me. If I click on this notify me, it will ask me to give select the size, which size you are looking for. I need to select the size and provide the email and click on notify me. Then it will see, thank you. We will mail you once we are back in stock. Right? This is a message that we get. All right. Now the product is still in stock. Okay. And you want to add the product to the bag. And as of now, here we have 5 products in the cart. Now, what I will do, I will go ahead and select the size and I will say move to bag. Okay. If once I move the product from wish list to the bag, the number of products are reduced in wish list page and the number of products are increased in cart page. Right. And if I go to the cart page, I should be able to see the product which I have added to the cart or bag. Okay. So this is showing up. Now let's come back. We'll see what all the other options that we have. We can remove the product from the wish list. Okay. If you see here, there is a X mark. If I click on this X, now the total number of products reduced from 27 to 26. Now, once again, I'll click on this X. See, product removed from back. It is a toast message which comes for just 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. Again, I'll click on this X. See, product removed from wish list. It's too quick now. Before, for adding the product to the wish list, it the toast message was there for around 5 seconds, I believe. Now, for removing the product from the wish list, it just appears and immediately disappears. They have given the timeline for that particular toast message as 2 seconds. See, product removed from the wish list. Right? So we can add the product to the wish list. We can remove the product from the wish list. We can move the product from wish list to the cart page. And if the product is out of stock, we can click on notify me and provide the information like email address where we will get the notification. So I believe these are the functionalities of wishlist page. Any doubts here, guys, in this wishlist page?
No, sir.
Awesome.
Okay, great. Now let's continue further. We have my account option. So this my account option provides the list of options once the user is logged in, or else it will not give any list of options. So under my account, we have something called as orders. So if we have ordered something, then we should be able to see that particular order in the orders section. So as of now, we have not ordered anything. We will be looking into this particular option once we place any order, and we'll see like how this looks like. The second option is the wish list. So just now we saw wish list option. So if I select wish list, it will take me to the wish list page itself. So there are two different entry points to land into the wish list page. That is one, the wish list icon. Other one is through my account section wish list option, right? And we have explored this wish list, how this wish list page works. Now, the next option is profile details. So if I click on this profile details, it should give the profile information of the user who is registered to this particular pantaloons.com application. So initially when I registered, it asked me for my first name, last name, and gender, email address, and phone number. So all this information can be seen in the profile details page. Now, once I click on edit, it is giving me option to edit first name, last name, and the gender, but it is not giving me option to edit email address or mobile number. Okay, and they have given a disclaimer. Please contact customer care to change your mobile number or email address. So, in order to change the mobile number or email address, we need to contact the customer care. Why this is the case? Because, see, I'll tell you, suppose you have placed some orders, right? You will have all the order related information in your email, and through your mobile number, your order related information can be fetched. So this is a kind of a unique information, okay, using which they can track certain things of the user, right? And if you want to update this or change this, then you need to contact the customer care, and they will be helping you out to update it. And they will let you know, like once you update this phone number, what are the information that you might lose in the Pantaloons application, right? So this is how the profile details page looks like, and edit profile option looks like. And once you click on edit profile, you will be able to add a photo to your profile. Okay, if I click on change, it gives me a window, explorer window, wherein I can browse for my photo, and I will be able to add that photo as my profile page, sorry, profile image. Okay, so I just don't want to add it. So these are the functionality of profile details page. So I'll click on cancel. Now the next one is called as addresses. Let me click on addresses. In addresses, so as of now, I have added three different addresses. Okay, so one is this home address, office address, and I've added one more called as home address. Okay, so now in among these addresses, you can add multiple addresses. Okay, why it is giving us to add multiple addresses? Suppose imagine you work and you want the product to be delivered at your office location. So you can add your office location address, and you want the product to be delivered at your home. You can add the product to the home address, and you want the product to be delivered to your friend or relative. You want to gift them, so it will give you option to add that particular address as well. Okay, so that is the reason we can add multiple addresses, and it does not restrict the user to stick on to one single address. Okay, and if you have added multiple addresses as well, you can keep only one particular address as a default address. You see, among these three addresses, this is the one which is default address. And if you want to edit the address, we can edit the address as well. So if I click on edit, see, it gives me an option to edit this particular address. Okay, and it gives you option make this as default address, right? If you uncheck this, it won't be a default address anymore. If you check this, it will be a default address. Whenever you place an order, by default, this address will be considered. Okay. So that is one thing. And you can add, I told you, right? You can add multiple addresses. So I can add one more address. I'll say if I click on add address button, it gives me a form wherein I can add one more address. All right. So this is one thing wherein in order to add this address, these things will be pre-filled. From where these things will be pre-filled? From your profile details. The name, first name, last name, and the mobile number will be pre-filled. And the address section will ask you to provide the address. There are two ways that you can update the address. One is by selecting the current location. If I click on select current location, what will happen? It will select, it will pre-fill certain information based on the select current location. You see, once I clicked on select current location, pin code got selected, city got selected, state got selected, right, and area got selected. But it could not locate your house number or building name or the street name, right? So these things user has to be filling it. So I'll just give some random thing, some mm, okay, some random address I'll provide. And suppose if I want to make this as a default address, I'll select this and I'll say add address. Okay. Now if you see, before it was three addresses, now it is there are four address, and before this was the default address. Now this is the default address. So you, no matter how many ever address that you add, you can make only one address as the default address. And there is one more option. You can delete the address as well. Okay. So let me try to delete a address which is added as a default. I'll say, are you sure you want to delete this address? I'll say yes. Yeah. You see, now this address is removed, whatever that I added newly, and there are no default addresses. Why? Because I've deleted the default address, which was selected as a default address. Now, if I want to make any address as default, I'll just edit it, make it as a default, and I'll save the address. It will become a default address. You see this, right? So this is how the add address feature works. Now let us move next. There is something called as Pantaloons credit. Let me click it. Okay. So recent transactions, no data. Fine. Let us understand what is this. You can use these credits for your purchase at the time of checkout. Credits is the actual amount of the product when returned, cashbacks or any other promotional values. Okay. So what they are trying to say, you place the order by paying some by paying the amount for that particular product, and once it is delivered, you did not like the product. You want to return the product. You return the product, but whatever the money that you paid, you need to get it, right? So you will not get the money back to the source account. What is this source account called as? Source account is the account from which you made the payment. Suppose if you have made the payment using UPI, there should be a bank account that should be linked to the UPI, right? And that particular bank account will not receive the money that you paid. Instead, what they will do, they will return the money to this Pantaloons credit card. Okay, they have a concept called as Pantaloon credit card or Pantaloon credits. It's a kind of card. Your money will be added to this particular card. So just imagine how tricky these pantaloons people are. Once you have made the payment and purchased the product, no matter you don't like the product, you will not get your money back to your source account. Instead, they will add it to the pantaloon credits. So if there is some amount in pantaloons credits, there is no other option. You have to use that money in order to purchase another product. Clear how tricky their business is, right? Once the money is debited from your account to pantaloons account, it is gone for it's gone basically. You'll never get it back. It's as simple as that. So that is the reason they have this pantaloon credits option. Okay, so as of now, I have not done any such transactions and I have not received any money back to the card. So it says no data available. Okay, let's move further. Green card. So this is a green card, same thing. So one entry point for green card is from here. Another entry point for green card is through my account section. So what is this green card? I'll quickly explain this to you. Once a user starts purchasing the products from Pantaloons, right? Based on the purchases, you will be provided with stars. Okay, and you see they have categorized the stars into A, B, C, D. Okay, and A means 1 star, B means 3 stars, C is 5, D is 7. Now, if you want to earn 1 star, what you should do? You should spend up to 7,999. You see this? And if you want to earn 3 stars, you will be you should be making purchases between 8,000 to 19,999. For C, that is 5 star, 20,000 to 39,999. And for D, 40,000 plus, you'll be earning 7 star. And what is the benefits? If you have any of these, your annual spends to maintain their earn cashbacks as reward points. So, how you can earn the cashbacks as the reward points? If you have 1 star for the total purchase that you made, you will get 0.5 percentage of amount to your green card. If you have made purchases of between 8,000 to 19,999, 3 percentage of this purchase amount will be added to your green card. Same way, if you have made purchase between 20,000 to 39,999, 5 percentage of that particular total amount of payment that you made will be added to your green card. Same way, this is 7 percentage once you make the purchase of 40,000 and above. All right. So this indicates which tier you belong to, and this indicates what is the cashback percentage that you will be getting. And the next one, extended exchange period, 90 days. So if you are a green card holder, all you might be in any particular star, you will get an extended exchange period of 90 days. So you purchase the product and you can exchange it till 90 days. You'll have a timeline to exchange the product till 90 days. And then the next option, instant redemption on next bill. So you made a purchase, you earned some green card points, and you want to use it instantly, you can use it in the next purchase if you are among any of these stars. Now, VIP access to sale preview for members. So you will become a VIP member. So for VIP access member, there will be certain other benefits. So you will be eligible for those benefits if you are a 3 star to 7 star person. And free paper bags as points credited. So once you have certain points credited to the green card, right? If you are 5-star or a 7-star member, if you visit a store and purchase the product, you'll get a free paper bags. For paper bags, you'll not be charged. So these are the benefits that you'll get once you're a green card member. And there is some another section called as FAQs. What is this FAQs? I'll just mention it here. FAQs. This is known as frequently asked questions. So users will have certain questions, right? Suppose if they have a question like how long this uh, green card points will be available, whether it has any expiry date for the green card points that a user is holding. So such kind of questions can be asked under the green, frequently asked question, or such kind of questions can be mentioned under the frequently asked questions. So these are the questions asked by the users which will be added in the feature. Uh, this will be added in the future with the answers, right? So if you go to this frequently asked questions section, right? These are the how do I upgrade my Pantaloons green card membership? What are the terms and conditions of the program? So if I click on this, you see I have the answer over here. If I click on this, I have the answer for that particular question. All right. So in the frequently asked questions, whatever the questions that were asked by previous customers, those particular questions will be added and answer would be given. So they don't want the customer to be confused. That is the reason they have this frequently asked questions section, and they have the answers for it. So customer can go through it and get the answers by himself in this from this section. And if you scroll down, you have green card terms and conditions, okay, and how you can earn the reward points, okay. All these are provided over here. Validity and redemption of reward points, right? I want to give you people a assignment. I want you people to go through these because I don't want to spend much time on this select theoretical concepts. You people go through this and understand, and in next session I'll ask you to explain it to me. What are the green card terms and conditions, and what are these validity and redemption? You people should be explaining it to me. I don't want to spend much time over here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now, now let's continue further. We have an option to log out. If I click on log out, I will be logged out from the application. That is a pretty straightforward functionality. Okay, so I'll go to profile details. Yeah, orders. My orders I have covered. Wish list I have covered. Uh, Profile information is account and information. Addresses I have covered. Pantaloons credits I have covered. Green card I have covered. There is something called as saved cards. Let me go over here. So there is no saved cards in your account. This saved cards, I'll just tell you, whenever you try to make a payment to purchase the product, right? If you are using a credit card or a debit card to make the payment, you need to provide the card information like 16-digit card number, the CVV number behind your card. All those information you will have to provide, and name on the card, etc. So once you provide those information, there will be an additional option which says you want to save this card for next use or next purchase, right? If you select that particular checkbox, it would be saved over here. If you don't select the checkbox, your card information will not be saved. Okay. And if you have saved any particular card, then that particular saved card information will be available over here. So this is the only one thing which is additionally added under my profile section. And yeah, there is one more. There is customer support. If I click on this customer support, it takes me to a contact us page wherein I can contact the customer care through this number, and which is active from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. And or else I can even write an email to the customer care, which they will be addressing. And also I can see the offers and terms and conditions from here. Okay. So also please go ahead and explore these things, right? They have the privacy policy, and they have some general information, right? Cookies information, etc. And what is the jurisdictions or termination policies, etc. So all these things I want you people to go through, because these are purely a kind of theoretical information, okay, which I want you people to go through and understand this. Okay, this is one part. I'll just close this and I'll come back here. And in this contact us page, we do have an option, or we do have corporate office location, Pantaloons. So it's a division of Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. So who owns Pantaloons.com? Pantaloons.com is owned by Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Okay. And where is their office located? Their office located is in this place. That is Mumbai. Okay. And if at all, if you want to open a Pantaloon store, they give you a franchisee option. So you can write it here to this email, franchisee relations at abfrl.adityabirla.com. Somebody from adityabirla.com will contact you and provide you the information on franchise, opening your franchisee. Okay. So, and another thing is, suppose um, you don't want to write an email, you don't want to contact the support, you can connect to the support team by providing this information, by providing your name, your mobile number, your email address, and what is the issue that you are facing in your product. That particular issue you can select, or if it is not listed over here, select others and mention your issue and then submit. Somebody from Aditya Birla customer care will contact you. Okay, so that is one option. And in contact us, they have given find pantaloons stores, right? Which we explored in our pretty first day, right? Same way we can search for the pantaloon store via pin code or by city or by area or by locating through the map. With this thing we have explored already. So yeah, this is all about the customer care section. Now let's come back. So we have finished exploring the my account section completely. Now the pending part is green card is completed, gift card. We'll go to gift card and then move on to the card page. Okay. So if I clicked on gift card, it navigated me to pantaloons.uhu.in slash e-gift card. So what is this gift card basically? I can gift a card to any of my friend or relative, okay, by adding some amount to it or by adding some money to it. All right. So if you see here, enter gift card details. I can select the themes. If it is a birthday theme, I can select this happy birthday theme. Um, if it is festive greetings, I can select this theme. Or if it is best wishes, somebody has achieved something. So in order to wish them, I can select this particular theme, best wishes theme, and enter gift card details. So here we have the option of providing the gift card details. So what we should do is we need to provide the value of amount. So it is between minimum amount is 100 and maximum amount is 10,000. So if I say 99 and I'll select the quantity, see, voucher amount should be between 100 and 10,000. Now, what I'll do, I'll say 11,000 and I'll say voucher amount should be between 100 and 10,000. Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll just give it as 500. Now, select the quantity. We can gift the cards. How many cards we can gift? We can gift up to 10 cards. Okay. We can gift up to 10 cards. Right. So now I'll scroll down. Enter sender and receiver details. So suppose I am the sender. I need I need to enter my details, and to whomever I'm sending, I need to enter that person's details as well. Receiver's details as well. So the pretty first thing is sender details. Okay. I need to provide my name, email address, city, pin code, state, mobile number. If I provide my mobile number, there will be a OTP that would be sent to this number in order to confirm. And I need to provide the receiver's details, receiver name, receiver email, again retype the receiver email, mobile number, okay, and a message. And once I provide all these details, I can preview the voucher. Okay, for example, let me quickly, I'll select the theme as happy birthday. Let me see how this works. So, okay, I have provided all the information. Now I'll say preview voucher. You see, the voucher will look something like this. Okay, the theme would be happy birthday and gift card. So this gift card, it would be something like a card only. It will have 4, 8, 12. It will have 12 digit number, sorry, 16 digit number with a pin, voucher pin. And also it will have a validity. So today is what, 15th August, and the it will be valid till 16th August. Within this time, they should be using this particular gift card, and there are certain conditions applied. So these are the conditions. So terms and conditions. I don't want to spend time over here. You people have to spend time over here, right? So in this gift card section, please go through all the terms and conditions, right? We have terms and conditions over here. The same terms and conditions is added in this voucher preview. Okay. So understand the terms and conditions. What are the terms and conditions? And this is how the gift card will look like. Okay. So once I provide all this information, now if I feel okay, I can make the payment and send that particular gift card. Have a promo code in case if I have a promotional code, I can provide the code and apply it so that I'll get some discount or benefits out of it. And I need to agree to the terms and conditions. And once I click on pay now, as they have mentioned here, I will receive a OTP. And once I provide that OTP and confirm it, the amount would be debited, and uh, the receiver will get the gift card. So this is the functionality of the gift card. Okay. So any doubts here, guys, in gift card? Okay. Let's continue further. And the left out part would be, so we have covered gift card, green card, store locator. Track order will be left out. So track order will check once we place any order for testing purpose, and all other things are covered. Now the left out part is cart. Okay. So now once I am in cart page, okay, I should be seeing the products which I have added in my cart. Okay. And there is one more section which says you may also like, right? So just to make the user to uh, continue the shopping further, they give this section. You may also like this. Go through this, right? So that is that way. And let us understand how this cart page works. I want a product which is okay. See, once you have added the product to the cart, you can either delete that product if you don't want it, or you can move that particular product to wish list. You see this? So there are 23 products in wish list now. I'll move this product to the wish list. It became 24, right? And from cart page, that product is removed. Okay, so I'll just remove all the products. Why? Because the price of all the products is more than 1,000. I just want to add a product which is less than 1,000, and I want to check what is the functionality of the my bag page. Now my bag is empty. Yeah, there is one product. Mm, and I'll add this product to the bag. Now I'll go to bag. All right. So now, if you see here, the product price is 929. Okay. The discount is 620 because the actual product price is 1549, and the discount is 620, and shipping charges of 100 rupees is applicable. So the total product cost would be 929 plus 100,029. Right. So here they have mentioned a disclaimer. What is the disclaimer? all India free shipping on orders above rupees 1000. So wherever from India you place an order, you will get a free shipping if your order value is more than 1000. Now you can ask me, the order value is 1029, right? This 1029 is because the shipping charges is added, but the actual price is of the product is 929. And if you see here, they have mentioned shop for rupees 61 more to avail free shipping. Okay, so if I shop for additional 61 rupees, then this 100 rupees shipping charges will be not applicable or it will not be added. So there is one issue over here. Can somebody identify what is the issue? There is a issue. Can somebody tell me what is the issue or identify the issue? Hello, you guys are there?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a issue. Can somebody tell me what is the issue?
Sir, there is some tagline like all India free shipping on orders above if it is 1000.
Mhm.
But if the bill is also 1029, but still it is showing shop for still more 61 rupees for free shipping.
No, no, no. See, the actual product cost is how much? 929. Correct. So, since it is not, um, it is less than 1000, okay, they have added 100 rupees shipping charge. So, that is the reason the product total amount is 1029. Correct. So, 929 plus 100, 1029. So, that is the reason they have mentioned all India free shipping is 1000. And if you add 61 rupees, the shipping charges 100 will not be charged. So, this is correct. But there is a issue. Can somebody identify? I hope it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever, yeah. But there is another issue apart from this, not another issue. There is a issue because whatever that you told, it is a functionality. That is not an issue. So there is a issue. Can somebody tell me what is that issue?
Sir, we are in the my back page. I mean card,
Mhm.
but the icon is wish list icon.
Mm, good try. But since we are already in my back page, right? So
Yes, sir.
what they are doing is they are displaying uh, my wish list. Why? Because we do have an option to move the product from my bag to wish list. So what will happen? They just want to show the number increment happens in the wish list page. Okay, so this is not an issue basically. Why I'm saying is, see, if I come back from um, my back page, right? So whichever page that you visit, you can see all these three icons in all the pages. As of now, I am in description page. Still, I am able to see all this thing. And suppose if I am in wish list page, still I am able to see all this. So similarly, if I am in cart page, they are displaying the wish list page. Sorry, wish list icon. So they just want to. That is a kind of a business trick, you know. How I'll tell you. You have so many products in wish list, right? And you have added only few products in the cart page. So they are indirectly telling, hey, there are so many other products you have added in the wish list. Move them to cart and purchase it. It's a kind of a business trick. Okay. So it is actually a functionality. It's actually a feature, not a bug. But good try. Yeah. But
We
there is
have not applied any coupon. There is option to apply the coupon.
see if you have any coupon, you can apply coupon. Uh, see, as of now, once I clicked on apply coupon, there are no such coupons available as of now. All are grayed out. Okay, it's something similar. You will always have an option to apply coupon, but there will be no coupon which would be applicable for this particular purchase. So there is no issue over here, but there is a issue.
Sir, one more issue, sir. The product actual price is 1,549.
Mhm,
So there will be a 40% off.
mhm.
So that is the price will be around 619 rupees. But they're showing 929.
Okay, so you mean to say,
The price is not correct. Product price.
okay, just try. I'll just check what is the 40 percentage of 1,549 or 40 percentage. 1 second, just give me. I'm very bad at maths, so I need calculator. 1,549 into 40 divided by 100.
And
1,549 into 40 divided by 100. No, that is correct. The discount is 620. The discount amount comes around 619.6.
19.660.
Yeah, 619.6. So they have rounded it off and they have made it as 620. Now,
Okay,
if
okay.
if I minus 1,549 with 620, then it comes to 929. That is correct. That calculation is correct. But there is a issue.
When when we return the product, we will not get the shipping charges back.
That they have not mentioned anywhere.
Not shipping charges, not refundable.
Yeah, these are not refundable. Yeah, that is correct. So they have mentioned it, right? You'll not receive it back. So how that will become a issue? No, right? If they have not mentioned and you're not getting this 100 rupees back, then that is the issue. But they have mentioned it not refundable. So if you don't get it, it is understandable. I'll not get the refund, the shipping charges as refund. That is fine, right?
But almost while placing the order, we will not concentrate about that.
That is
We
whose
will be
mistake.
thinking,
Yeah, that is whose mistake.
yeah, we will be thinking that we will get 1,029 rupees back.
That is whose mistake. That is our mistake. That is not the website mistake. They have mentioned it. If we have not noticed it, it is a customer's mistake, right?
Sir, in the page they are mentioning my savings 620.
Mm-hmm.
So what is that meaning, sir? 620.
My
That is the
savings
product
50
price.
means the discount, whatever the discount that you got, right? 620
Yes.
rupees. So it's a savings, it's
Yeah.
a kind of savings for you, right?
So because of discount.
Correct. Yes. So shall I tell what is the issue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they have mentioned shop for rupees 61 more to avail free shipping. Add this 929 and 61. Will it be 1000? How much is 929 plus 61?
9 only, sir.
How much?
9.
61
990. 990.
990. Is that a issue or is it a functionality? They have mentioned to get free shipping all over India, shop for 1000. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, if you shop for another 61 rupees, will you be getting free shipping?
No.
Correct. So instead of 61, it should be 71. Correct. So this is the issue that I was expecting you people to identify. Clear? So whenever we are testing something, but I truly appreciate you people's effort over here. Okay. But the thing was, you people most of the time concentrated at this right hand side part only. Correct. Your people's concentration were only at this particular place. Why you people did not concentrate the left hand side part? Correct. So a test engineer focus should be on complete area, whichever that you are testing, not only to a specific area. Right? Getting the point? Each and every nook and corner you should see, and each and every nook and corner you should analyze. That is when you'll catch the bugs, or else you will miss the bugs. As this pantaloons people, QA team did it. Right? This is a production application, guys. Okay, this is a production application. And see how silly issue they have missed. Correct? So
Yes, sir.
such kind of mistake should not be leaked to the end users. Right? So I just saw 929 plus 61. It comes to 990. How come they have told it as 1000? Correct? So 990 means again what will happen? Suppose imagine there is a product that is available for 61, for example. Now what you will do, you'll add it for 61 rupees. Now the total will become 990. Again, you will be paying along with the shipping charge 1990. Correct. So this is a bad user experience. Correct. So it will not block the user anyway, or user will still proceed further with this. But the user experience is not that great. But it's a simple, silly mistake, right? So these kind of issues has to be identified and it has to be fixed before the end user uses it. But Pantaloons application has these kind of issues. Okay. All right. So this is one thing. And now let us see, in case if I add the product more than 1,000, what will happen? So in order to make the product value more than 1,000, I'll just increase the quantity. I'll from one, I'll make it as two, so that it will be more than 1,000. Okay, so your order is eligible for free shipping. This is the message now. Okay, and if you see here, the total bag value is 3,098. Okay, and I have saved 1,020, 1,240 as a discount, 620 plus 620, 1,240, and shipping charges is free. It is scratched out, and total payable amount is 1,858. That is 1,858, and my savings is 1,240. Okay, and this is the amount including tax I'll be paying. So this is how my cart page or my bag page will work. Any doubts here, guys? How my cart or my bag will work? So in my cart or my bag, we'll get an option to select the size. We'll get an option to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, and we'll get an option to remove the product from the cart, or we do have an option to move the product to wish list, right? So these are the functionality or the options that we have in my cart or my bag page. And to get to my bag page, there are multiple entry points. We'll see what are those entry points. One is by directly clicking the bag, I'll come to the my bag page. This is one entry point. And another entry point is if I mouse over on my bag, there is a view bag option. This is a kind of mini bag. Okay. In this mini bag, I do have a view bag option. I can click on view bag and it will take me to the my bag page. This is second entry point. And there is another entry point also. Suppose, for example, um, back. You see, I will add this product to the bag, add to bag. Acha, I'll have to select size. Okay, I'll select a size and I'll say add to bag. Okay, now the add to bag changes to go to bag. If I click on this go to bag, it will take me to the bag. This is a third entry point. Okay, how I can reach the my bag page. Okay, so there are multiple entry points, and I have shown you all the multiple entry points to get to the my bag page. So my bag page is also explored, and the next one is checkout. If I click on checkout, I will come to this checkout page. In checkout page, I have address, delivery estimates, and then payment option. So this would be the only thing that would be remaining for us to explore. So I will stop it here today. Okay. Any doubts in the features that we have explored today, guys?
Also,
Okay. So only the checkout page and the payments page will be remaining. Because if I start it now, right, it might take more time because there are more delivery select payment options. So I just don't want to cut it or break it and explore it. So that is the reason we'll continue tomorrow and we will complete the exploratory part of checkout page and payment page. Okay. So if you people have any doubts, you can ask me. So tomorrow, select in a 30 minutes time or 45 minutes time, we'll explore it completely. And then we'll start with the uh, test plan documentation. Okay. You have any doubts?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll stop the recording and